Good afternoon. I'm Shivani from Become Taxation Final Year. Here the topic is tax planning and management. Here we go through about the introduction. Here the introduction is in India the rates of tax is not only very high but the tax laws are also very complicated, so that the taxpayer is planning his financial affairs to not tap it into the tax net. Next, incidence of tax. Incidence of tax is the division of tax between the stakeholders. Here the stakeholders means the buyers and sellers and the consumers and producers. Next, we can discuss about the tax planning, tax evasion, tax avoidance and tax management. Tax planning means minimizing the incidence of tax by the advantage of various tax exemptions like deductions, rebate, relief beneficiary, etc. Next, the tax evasion. Tax evasion is using illegally, means to avoid the paying taxes. Tax evasion involves the misrepresentation of income. Next, tax avoidance. Tax avoidance can be done by the adjusting the accounts in such a manner. Tax avoidance is lawful, but in some cases it could come into the category of the crime. Next, tax management. Tax management means planning its affairs in such a manner such tax obligations is managed properly. The tax management is helpful in avoiding payments of interest, penalties and prosecutions, etc. Example, tax management deals with the filing of return in time, getting the account audited and deductions at source, etc. And next, the differences between tax planning and tax management. The objective of tax planning is to minimize the tax liability. The objective of tax management is to comply with provisions of tax laws and its allied rules. In tax planning also includes tax management, but in tax management it deals with the filing of returns. Tax planning is related to future, but the tax management is related to past, future and present. Tax planning helps in minimizing the tax liability in short term and long term. But in tax management, it helps in avoiding payment of interest, penalty and prosecution, etc. Here, the tax planning is optional, but the tax management is essential for every assessee. Tax avoidance is an activity of taking unfair advantage of shortcomings in tax rules by finding a new ways to avoid the payment of taxes that are within the limits of the law.